So I'm trying to take this tree down. Well, this tree. Where are you? That one. And I've sliced through it and it's not fucking budging anywhere. I know it's got to tilt in a different direction, but I need it to fall in a certain way. Okay, shit, that's not what I wanted to happen. Now it's after trapping the chainsaw blade. Okay, let's try it again. Fuck. Okay, these things are always uncomfortable to do, but nobody got hurt in the making of this video. This is what the end cut looks like. There it is down there. This is the bit that was cut through and refusing to go. See, first I cut it along there and then I was slicing down, kept waiting. I thought it would go somewhere around there, but it didn't. And finally it was that tiny little bit that was still holding it. Anyway, one job done. So in case you're wondering why I had to cut the tree down, you can see here, this is the solid portion of the tree. This bit is not. Watch. Look at that. See that? So really interesting once you take this outer thing off. Look at this. And you find that that's all that's really left of the tree. The rest of it was destroyed by termites. See that? Had to take it down. Too much of a danger.